Hey guys, it's Mike here. Today I'm going to show you a Twitter hack or X hack that has absolutely gained me over 40,000 followers, made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I'm going to keep it short, I'm going to keep it sweet and get straight to the point here, because this is a life-changing thing that you can do and anyone can do and achieve. It's one post per week, and I've consistently done this every week. I've taken the odd week off due to circumstances, but this is something that anyone can do and anyone can get started with today. And I'll show you what it is right now. First of all, I want you to download a Chrome extension. It's called Tweet Hunter X. You can see it up here in the top right. And once you've that downloaded, you can click it, pull it out, and you can see the best performing content ever for any Twitter account. You can go onto someone else's account, like this, let's say, my student Osh, this Tweet Hunter X, and I can see his best performing content. Go back to me, same thing. Okay, now I got 1,000 comments on this. Let's look at it. Let's dive in. I've created a complete guide on how to use ChatGPT for copywriting. This has the potential to earn you 10k plus per month in 2023, and it's yours for free. Like and comment, chat, and I'll DM you a copy. You must be following me or I can't send. Like and comment, chat. This got 4,000 comments and over 4,000 likes. So 4 comments, and they all had to follow me to get the dot. So I got about 4,000 followers from this post alone. 24 or 48 hours these run for, and that's how many followers I got in that time frame. Absolutely insane, absolutely absurd. I created a document that people would want. I knew people would want it, and I put a bold claim on it. This would make you 10k per month in 2023, and genuinely it could. For most, it's going to be difficult to do that, but it genuinely could. So I'm not lying here, okay? There's no need to lie. It's yours for free. I'm giving away this fantastic document for free. All you have to do is like and comment, chat, and follow me. Nice thumbnail here I created on canva.com. Fantastic for thumbnails for YouTube or Twitter, and that's it. It got over 600,000 views. Now I recreated it and did it for landing pages as well. Remember that other one there was for copywriting? I did it for high converting landing pages, and I got 0.4k comments and 3k likes and 300,000 views. So you're able to use these over and over again and create different ones at the same time. Okay, another one here. Created a 29-page doc on how I went from 0 to 20k per month in 120 days. Step-by-step guide. Like and comment doc, and I'll DM you it. 1,400 comments, 1,000 followers from that alone. And this was only 3 days ago. Okay, so this is how you can do it. What you do from there is you send them an opt-in page. So you have an opt-in page which is built on cardco, CARD.co. Then they opt in, you collect their email, then you redirect them to that document. You collect their email through Convert. If you want me to create a video on showing you how to do all this in depth, please let me know below, and I will spend the time to show you how to create all this. Either way, you can do this and manually send them the doc. There are platforms like Typefully here that you can send an auto DM, so once they actually do comment doc, it'll automatically send that document to them. Again, the hundreds, thousands of comments. Okay, it's endless. So that's exactly how it works, and that's how you can gain literally 1,000 followers a week on X or Twitter. Follow me if you want more tips and tricks like this. I'll be putting out a lot more, and again, if you want more in-depth guide of how to do this step by step, let me know in the comments and I'll create that for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video, it means the world to me. Thank you very much.